everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you're doing? Hope you're doing great. So in this video we're going to be making a kaftan dress without a side stitch. So this is a silver embroidery I'll use to decorate the neckline. I'm using 2 meters of fabric, 60 inches by length. So before we start, I'll measure right from here. I measure right from here, take it across to the other side. The front is 42 inches, the back is 42 inches. So this is the front and this one is the back. So I'll fold the fabric into 2. I'll bring out the back panel, fold it into 2. Then bring the front one as well, fold it into 2. The measurement I'll be taking is just the neckline and the shoulder slant. The length of my kaftan dress is 59 inches. So I'll be doing the front neckline later, and I'll be taking the back neckline. The wideness of the neckline for the back is 3 inches and the depth is 2 inches. Connect the lines together. The front neckline, I'll be doing that later. So from here, I'll take a shoulder slant. I'll make 1.5 inch shoulder slant here. I will cut out the back neckline. Then I will cut the shoulder slant. So on the side here, I have to make sure they are equal. Just trim it out a little bit. Before we separate them, I will just curve the down part. Yeah. So the down will be curved like this. I don't want the down part to be too sharp. So I'll go ahead and separate them. I'll bring the front panel out. The front one, I'll go ahead and open it up. I'll open it up, so I'll look for the midpoint. I'll be placing this design here at the neckline. So I'll go ahead and look for the midpoint. Okay, so I'll place it here at the midpoint, the front midpoint. Remember the back panel, I measured 3 inches for the wideness of the neck. And this one I'll be taking 6 inches because when you open the back one up, it will be 6 inches. So the design is exactly 6 inches. I'll pin the embroidery to the front panel. I'll sew this first before I will attach before we sew the shoulders together. It's a very simple style. You can make this tie in less than 30 minutes. So I will cut off this place. I will cut here. I will leave half an inch for the hemming. So I'll go ahead and sew the embroidery to the front panel. I'll place this here. And I still have this one here. I will attach this here. I've finished attaching the embroidery to the front panel. I've also hemmed the back neckline. I'll go ahead and pin the shoulders together. The right side of the front panel and the right side of the back panel are facing each other. I will sew the shoulders. After I finish sewing the shoulder, I will take the side. Then I'll open it and sew the side. I will take 1/4 of an inch and take 1/4 of an inch. I will sew it round, sew the side round, the whole edge is round. I finished sewing the shoulder and the whole edges. This is the front and this is the back. It's a very simple freestyle, very easy to make. You can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with skirts. Here's the front and there's the back. It's open. So that's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one. Like and share my video as well. Love you. Bye.